A taste in the desert. God's Spirit led Jesus into the desert. He had nothing to eat for 40 days and nights. After that, Jesus was very hungry. Knowing that Jesus was hungry, Satan tempted him. He pointed to a rock and said, "If you are the Son of God, tell these rocks to become a bread." Jesus answered Satan using God's words from the Bible. "It's not just bread that keeps people alive," he said. "Their lives also depend on what God says." Next, Satan took Jesus to the top of the temple. "If you are the Son of God, jump off." The scriptures say that God's angels will rescue you. So, Jesus used God's word to give his second answer. "Do not put the Lord your God to the test," he said, quoting again from the Bible. Finally, Satan took Jesus to a mountain and showed him all the world's kingdoms and wealth. "This can be yours," he said, "if you bow down and worship me." "Go away, Satan," Jesus commanded. Then he quoted God's word one more time. "For it is written, worship the Lord your God and serve him only." As soon as Jesus said it, Satan left him. Then angels came and cared for him. Jesus had faced temptations and hadn't sinned, not even once. When Satan tempted him, Jesus quoted God's word from the Bible and never sinned.